Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2.2, a true story of sea turtles. Yesterday we have seen is that the volunteer noticed some shallow pits with white eggshells on the beach. After they inquire, and that time they search that they were the turtle eggs. Means these white eggs were the turtle eggs, and this is very unusual for them. This is very unusual because for many years they are surveying about the white belly sea eagles, but it is the first time they have seen that turtle eggs on the shore, and that's why this event is it was unusual for them. And the volunteer had never before they came across turtle eggs in their walks along the Konkan beaches in all the previous years, and it was the first time, and that's why it was unusual for them. And they also know about, and that's why they inquire more about that. Means they search that the beach in the early hours of the morning throughout the year. The female turtle comes on the shore and they lay eggs, and she leaves behind a trail just like a track of a wheel on the sand. Okay, and at a time she lays 100 to 150 eggs. Okay, she lays means that female turtle lays 100 to 150 eggs, and these eggs are either eaten or sold in the market by the smuggler. Okay, smuggler of eggs. It is means it is very ruthless. Now see what ruthless means, that hunting of the turtle eggs or to kill the turtle. It was very cruel act. It was very cruel act, and that's why now next see, this ruthless practice is observed in all parts of the world. Ruthless means cruel. This cruel practice is observed in all part of the world. Means not only in India but all part of the world. Means there is a this ruthless practice is going on. Sea turtles have been given protection by including them under Schedule 1 of the Indian Wild Protection Act 1972. Means in 1972, Indian Wildlife Act is had made, and in that act there have been given protection to the wild animal, and in this means that turtles also have given as much as protection as tiger. Okay, means turtle also have been given the protection whatever the tiger have, like this way turtle also have the same protection. Therefore, all this business of gathering turtle eggs and killing turtle is carried on in a secret. Means this business of smuggler, it is going in a secret or hush hush manner. Hush hush manner. Hush hush manner means very quietly. Okay, very quietly. Means this business is going on very quietly. Okay, this information was distressing, and means writer says that this information is very distressing to them. We began to think seriously about it, and that's why this organization they thought about that seriously. We decided to undertake a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nests in Maharashtra, and that's why this organization they undertake a project. Which project? To protect and conserve the turtle and their nest in Maharashtra. Okay. We had no experience regarding sea turtles, so first of all we undertook a study of turtles, and before that this organization did not have the experience regarding to the sea turtle. and that's why they undertook a study of turtle. First, they want to study about turtle, and that's why they undertook the study of turtles. We contacted institutes that work for the protection of turtles in India, and that's why this organization contact with the institute which work for the protection of turtle. The next step was launching a turtle protection campaign at Vedas, Taluka Mandangad, district Ratnagiri. And next step is that they launched turtle protection campaign at Vedas. Vedas is the village in Ratnagiri district and Taluka Mandangad. This was done with the support and cooperation of the Forest Department, and they took the support and cooperation of the Forest Department. As a part of campaign, a few local people were specially appointed to look for turtles' nest on the beach in the morning. And it is the first work of that camp. They appointed some local people there to look for turtle nest on the beach in the morning, because whatever we know means because smugglers they had stolen these turtle eggs in the morning time, and that's why this organization appointed the local people to look for this turtle's nest. When they came across a nest, they had to carefully remove the egg from the nest and bury them again in a similar pit, but one protected with wire fencing. Means when they came across a nest, they had to carefully remove the eggs from the nest. Means smugglers, what they are doing, they are carefully remove the eggs from the nest and bury them again in a similar pit, but one protected with wire fencing. Wire fencing means there is a protection of wire for them. Okay, tomorrow we'll learn the next part of the lesson. Okay, thank you.